Most people get this wrong when choosing a UK business bank account. They assume free means no limitations, and that all digital banks are basically the same. Here's the truth no one tells you. The wrong business account can slow your payments, complicate your taxes, and even block your growth. In this video, we're breaking down Mettle Business Bank in 2026 and answering the real question. Is it actually the best free UK business account, or just marketing hype? Let's start simple. Mettle is a free digital business account from NatWest. It is designed mainly for sole traders and small businesses in the UK. Imagine someone like Alex, a freelance designer in London. He needs to send invoices, receive payments, and track expenses without paying monthly banking fees. That's exactly where Mettle tries to help. Now here's where it gets interesting. Mettle includes free accounting tools inside the app. You can track income, categorize expenses, and even prepare for tax season. This is where many beginners get relief, because they don't need separate accounting software right away. But here's the problem. Mettle is not a full-service business bank for complex companies. If you plan to scale, hire employees, or handle international operations, you may quickly hit limitations. Let's talk about payments. Domestic UK payments are smooth and fast. You can also connect it with accounting tools, which helps automate your bookkeeping. Jake, a small online seller, uses Mettle to separate business and personal income easily. That alone helps him avoid tax confusion later. However, international payments are limited compared to banks like Wise Business or traditional high street banks. So if your clients are global, this could be a challenge. Now let's look at eligibility. Mettle is only available for UK registered businesses, and not all business types qualify. That's something many people overlook when applying. This is where most people fail. They apply without checking eligibility, then get rejected or delayed. Another important detail is customer support. Since Mettle is app-based, support is mostly digital. It is efficient for simple issues, but not ideal if you want in-person banking support. So, is Mettle the best free UK business account in 2026? The answer depends on your situation. If you are a freelancer, sole trader, or very small business operating mainly in the UK, it is one of the strongest free options available. If you needed advanced banking features or global transactions, you may outgrow it quickly. The key takeaway is simple. Mettle is great for starting, not necessarily for scaling. If you are planning to open a UK business account, choose based on where your business is going, not just where it is today. If this helped clarify things, like the video, drop a comment with your business type, and subscribe for more clear UK business breakdowns.